Okay, so we're going to have a quick little update here today. You can see we have the wall torn out here, and now we have our pony wall installed inside here. Let me turn some light on. So there is the pony wall. It's going to hold up the ceiling above. So one thing we found is this used to be the drain to the bathroom upstairs. And this pipe came down and across over into the main stack. You can just make it out right there. So what they did at some point was, this would have just been a simple elbow going there, and they took that out and then put this 1.5-inch copper pipe over here and hooked up a new kitchen sink and a dishwasher. So it's actually improper plumbing, because there's the pipe above, and it comes across and it goes into the next bay, and then up the wall over in the ceiling above to a bathroom sink. So the bathroom sink is draining down here and across and past the kitchen sink, and so technically that makes this a wet vent, which is not allowed. We're working on trying to figure out where some of this plumbing is going. So I'm not sure exactly what that is. That might be a sink on the wall. The hot and the cold. Okay, hey Mitch, fill the basin and let it purge. Okay, so I think that's what is going on here. The kitchen was in a different place before, and this used to be the drain for the bathroom sink that went across and into the main stack. So what they did is they turned the sink drain into a wet vent to the kitchen sink. Mitch is going to run a surge of water in here in just a minute, and we're going to see the surge of water come down here. Yep, and that is it. So they made a wet vent, which is not what you're supposed to do. Okay, so we're going to, okay, it's that's the drain. They did a wet vent. Okay, so that's just one more thing that we have to address. I'm taking my cell phone and reaching up through an access point to try and see what's going on with the plumbing pipes up in the basement ceiling under the kitchen floor. That copper pipe there coming down to 45 angle, that is the kitchen sink drain, 1.5-inch pipe. So it comes across the ceiling there and then goes at a 45-degree angle and heads over to the side of the house where the main stack is. So that is something that's going to have to be replaced with a 2-inch pipe. 2 inches the size we need for an island with an island loop vent. And across in through here. Okay, so that's where we will have to get in touch with that. Okay. Not supposed to have a wet vent, so we have to change that. So the new kitchen sink is going to be an island, so we'll have a island loop vent arrangement for that with a 2-inch drain on it. I'll show you that when we get to it. But so yeah, we're just preparing to get the ceiling ready to go. You can see how they have scabbed on additional 2x3s to the bottom of all the 2x10 joists above. And so they lowered the ceiling down about 2.5 inches, 3 inches more than what it was. And so we're not going to remove that, we're just going to leave it, because that actually will make this ceiling the same height as the new beam that's going all across up there. Okay, so that kind of gives you the update of where we are right now. So we are moving along quite fast. Then we also set up the temporary kitchen. It isn't 100% installed yet, but this will be nice enough. Got a fridge and a microwave, stove, set of drawers, a sink cabinet, dishwasher, some countertop. So this will work out pretty good. The drain is not in yet. We haven't plumbed or done anything with that. The dishwasher is just going to drain right into, I'm going to take advantage of the wash machine hookups. So we have this elbow for the hot water supply to the dishwasher, and then the drain just goes right down the laundry drain. So that works out nice and easy. And then we had to cut out the back of the countertop so the hoses and outlet cord would come up. We're going to plug the outlet for the dishwasher, or the power cord for the dishwasher, into that outlet. And then the stove here is plugged into the dryer outlet, and so it just comes up behind the stove and plugs in. Just makes it just enough length on the cord. So this is working out pretty good. The folks that live here, they can make do with this for it's probably going to be a couple of months that they're going to have to just rough it in here, and then we might put up a couple of wall cabinets. We've got some wall cabinets that would be fairly nice in there. These two cabinets here. It's sunny out there. Can't quite see the water, it's too bright. And then the cabinets have these glass doors, so that would be kind of nice. Okay, that's the quick update for today, and I'm gonna get going. I have stuff to do. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep following, and we'll see you on the next video.